Welcome to this video where I'm excited to introduce you to a dynamic After Effects intro promo template that's perfect for SaaS companies, startups, agencies, and tech-driven businesses. Before we dive in, just a quick note, you can find the download link for this template in the description below and in the first comment. This powerful template is designed to captivate your audience with impressive 3D objects and scenes. At its core is a stunning glowing orb that transitions seamlessly to showcase different scenes, creating an engaging visual flow that keeps viewers hooked. One of the standout features of this template is its customization. It comes with 8 fully animated text placeholders, making it easy to highlight your unique services and key messages. Whether you're launching a new product, presenting to potential investors, or promoting an upcoming event, this template provides the perfect framework for your message. Customization doesn't stop there. You have full control over the colors, so you can tailor the animation to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. This ensures your video not only looks professional, but also aligns with your overall brand identity, helping you stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This template is built for After Effects 2022 and newer versions, so you can confidently use it with the latest software features and updates. However, keep in mind that music and sound effects are not included with the project file, allowing you the freedom to choose or create audio that best complements your visuals. This template is versatile and can be used in various ways. For product launch, video, it offers a compelling way to unveil new software or tech products. In corporate presentations, it can create a strong opening that leaves a lasting impression on investors or clients. Use it as a website intro to increase engagement and keep visitors interested right from the homepage. For event promotions, it's ideal for announcing webinars, online summits, or in-person events with a modern touch. It also works perfectly for social media ads, helping your promotional content stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Explainer videos for tech companies benefit from its ability to present complex information in a visually engaging manner. Agencies can showcase their portfolio with a sleek and modern showreel. YouTube channels focused on tech or professional content can elevate their branding with a professional intro. Finally, it's great for service announcements, making it easy to highlight new features or updates in an impactful way. If you're ready to take your videos to the next level with this After Effects template, don't forget that the download link is available in the description and in the first comment. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful content.
Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can use this intro for Adobe After Effects. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the Edit Comps from here, and you can go to the Color Comp from here. Simply double click on that, and if we click on this layer in here and make sure to go to the Effect Controls, we can simply change the colors from here. So first we can change the 3D object's color hue. So if we change that, you can see that that changes just like that. We can change its lightness, so we can make it brighter or even darker, so something like this for instance. And we can even change the saturation. We can make it very saturated, or we can desaturate it completely. So let's use an unsaturated look in this case. Perfect. And let's increase the brightness to something like this. And if we look throughout the project, we can see that this affects the whole project, and we can continue tweaking this to whatever we like basically. So that's the first thing. Now we can modify the orb color. So we can simply give it any color from there. So let's give it this like yellow color. Then we can even modify the text color. So if we make it as well yellow, like that, we can see it update right over there. Wonderful. And then we can even modify the background colors. We have 3 different options for the background. So this is the first one here. If we make it like, let's make it yellow as well. This would be these little tiny grid in here. And then we have this color and this color. And of course you can tweak that to whatever you like. So those are the colors that you have, the color options. Of course, play with this to find something that you like. So in this case, let's make them black. And once you are happy, you can simply change your text now. So let's go to Project window, and from here go to Texts. So go in there, and from here you can change each text from here. Simply double click on each folder in here, and we can type in our first text here. And now if I go back to the color comp in here, we can see that update right over there. And you can do the same for all of these texts here. Once you are happy, you can simply go to Final Comp from here, add your music file if you have one, and then export. To export, you can go to Composition, add to Render Queue, And from here, you can select something like H.264 and simply press OK. In this case, I am in CC 2022, so H.264 is not available, but in later versions, H.264 is available. So in this case, I might need to export in something like QuickTime, and from here, choose something that I like. So for instance, Apple ProRes, and hit OK. If you're using audio, make sure that it's set to on, and then press OK. Then give it your output destination, and simply hit render. So that's basically it. I hope that you enjoy using this template and find it very useful.